Let me tell you, when Museveni talks about charcoal burning, you ask yourself, he has been let down by the intelligence. In fact, in that meeting, they pointed out, in my opinion, the only effective intelligence is ISO.
It's a kola.
Yes. Naye wano.
Intelligence effective wano ISO.
Kakati kwe kankubuuza equipment babawa. Oyinza n'okusanga omusajja wa ISO nga talabanga ku gundi lie detector nze jennina. Lie detector njina. When I talk to somebody ekulaga ti omuntu atalimba ebigambo bibifulowinga ku gundi oyo alimba. Noyinza kusanga wana
lie detector kyetegeeza.
Lie detector is a machine.
Omuntu alimba ebigambo bibifulowingira ku speed n'atalimba.
No omutamiivu naye ebigambo bibina bibifulowingira. N'omulalu taba coordinated.
Kati ogaye nti President Museveni is let down.
Very dangerous. He shouldn't do it. Kubanga kati charcoal burning. Who are involved in charcoal burning? They are soldiers.
Huh?
Yes. And why are they involved? The intelligence will tell the president that why the army is involved. Are they burning a charcoal to take it to the barracks?
No.
No. Why is the situation alarming, unprecedented? Why? Any investigator will tell you the demand for charcoal in Somalia and Sudan is high.
Sudan bakosa nnyo amanda.
Bano tebakimanyi. The Kenyan army is getting billions of dollars by selling charcoal to Somalia. Never nabawa ne kibatamanyi. Nti small weapons as homemade guns, grenades, zikolebwa ezitawanya Israeli, bazikolera Sudan na Somalia. Kati oyinza okusanga nga bayina element gye bazudde mu manda.
Nga chaka alimu element gebetaaga. Tubula business ya manda kati ya pay.
That's an African. An African an immigrant.
Kalogawo kocha amanda mu Uganda. Northern Uganda.
Why is it that the
majege gachirimu? So kati intelligence was table with the president.
That transported to Kampala. And why is it the demand is high? And the president said there is a particular tree. Kakati bana abantu bakimanyi. Omanyi technology muzibu nnyo. Kati bano bayinza okubanga balowooza ti amanda bagatwalira abasomali kufumba. May I knew this amanda market. The Kenyan army is getting billions through charcoal.
Tunda amanda Somalia. Nefuna sente.
Kitegeeza, and you see, Somalia has been a problem here. I told you, the police maintained a big garrison in Karamoja. This is why the largest beef factory in East and Central in the 50s was in Karamoja. And the Karamajongo elders, when we got independence and Obote visited the area, they told him, please remove that machine that is finishing our cattle. If it was Museveni, this is a source of income. So that one, Museveni has now resorted to decreeing. Because I think even if you make a decree like Idi Amin, when you cannot arrest the culprits, Kubanga, what makes the military involved and what makes it that the police cannot arrest them, and where the charcoal that is exploited in this area, what's its destination? Are we seeing bags of charcoal on buses from northern Uganda? Are we seeing charcoal ending up in Owino? Where is it? The intelligence will tell you.